Hi there. I wanted to take us through a couple of examples of how you start working with the free version of HubSpot. The reason I wanted to do a series of these videos is because I don't feel like there's enough people talking about what you can do with free so that you know when you need to upgrade to starter or pro models. So I started an account just a few minutes ago and I wanted to go through it, and this isn't super polished, so just bear with me, but it does a really good job of giving you, steps, right? So set up the basics, import your contacts, invite any teammates, and understand the property. So we can do that. But today I wanted to just understand how fast I could build a website, to be honest. So take ownership of the website. And I have a domain that I don't use for something. I've been holding it for who knows what. But anyway, so quickly, and I'm still in the free version. So let's just see how far we can get with this. Obviously, themes. We want to choose a free theme. And here's pretty straightforward one. I'm just going to set that as the active theme. Okay, so now let's go back here. We customize the theme. Just change the name. And obviously once I get a logo and different things like that, I can go forward with that. I'm going to click next. Choose a color scheme that I like. I think I love orange, so I might just go with that classic colors. And then a logo. I don't have a logo yet, but maybe I'll pop over to Canva or talk to my designer and see if I can get something. But for now, I'm going to leave that there. I can change that. I wonder if I have anything temporary. But anyway, we can do that later. But anyway, and then I'm going to finish. Because right now I have the domain, but I don't have it hosted anywhere. So let's see if we're still going here. So build the site. So we've done, it's taken me through the first two steps, and it's only, a couple minutes, 2 minutes into this. So now I want to build the site. So clearly they're giving me suggested things. I don't have pricing. I don't, I have products maybe / services. So this is fine. I'll leave this here. Click next. And now we're looking at layouts of the page. So here you can see wireframe information. And I do a lot of work with this kind of stuff, so it might take you a second to figure out what you're looking for here. But as for me, I'm going to look at some of the structure. I like a smaller header here, so you can kind of preview it here. I like this versus the graphic taking up so much space when you scroll down. So that is there are two smaller ones. This one is a short header, and it's got sort of these service things. And then this one's a little bit more my style. It's got header, statement button, show off your customer, just a structure that I can work with pretty easily. So I'll hit next. So now layout. This is really nice. I mean, this is completely free. So this is a really nice structure for you guys to work up a website. So now header, most common, they're showing you. Logo on the left, your navigation, and then this is probably a contact button. This is an option that I've seen, but I will definitely go with the more minimalist version. And then the footer, right? So social media links, and then looks like some clickable links, and then some other, and then the logo on the bottom. I kind of like more the smaller version on this one, so I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to click finish. And now it looks like it's creating my pages, and all I really need to do is work on copy, get some graphics, right? I can try my own images. I can go to Shutterstock or Canva and grab some things. So what I'm seeing now is my site is pretty close there. I just need to go in and customize it. And then now they're talking me through content. Publish and manage your pages. So start publishing. So here we're getting right into the specific pages, and they're going to walk me through it. And I'm just going to go through these because I'm not really interested in this right now. So they're putting the HubSpot logo because this is free. But even with the starter is where you start to get it, and it's gone. And starter is super reasonable. So here's my 4 pages. As I look to eventually, I will connect the domain, which is not connected now. But right now I'm on this nice test site. I can edit my contact page. I can swap out these graphics. They're going to run me through the page editor if I need. I'm just going to say remind me later. But this is, you know, if you've used any drag and drop type tools, you'll see this is very, you know, here's where I would customize the text right here. Here, if I click on the image, that's where I'm going to, right here, click here and I can replace this. And then Shutterstock is, let's just make sure, yeah, stock images are here, so I want to do consulting for tech services, and click over here to stock images, and here we go. Don't love these pictures mainly, so maybe I'll just go back to consulting, something a little broader, and do something, you know, something you'd kind of expect, I guess. But I would definitely look at, you know, which one of these might do. I might even change it and just say, you know, local business or something. I don't know, like something a little more focused on my niche. That's, you know, something, you know, fun. Like if I'm focusing on local businesses to this, and this image is mine to use within this site and within, you know, things. So then I can resize, and I'm just going to align it top center, to be honest, because I want to see that part of it. And then here, as I go, this I can, you know, I can save it, I can publish it. But as I go down, I can change, add my address, some things like that. But what I basically want to show you is, I mean, honestly, with an hour, and then it's going to push me to go create the blog. That makes perfect sense, and I've got this site now. So I'm just, what you see here is really, and then here's where it's going to add the domain. So I'm going to go here, add the domain. I'm going to go to GoDaddy and update the DNS settings. So you might not understand that fully, but it's a really simple process. And if you're working with somebody like GoDaddy, you can just ask them and they'll help you, or call them. But anyway, they'll give you sort of the A records and tell you what to do with this. So anyway, I'll do some more videos and we can go through this process. But with the free version of HubSpot, it just helps you get some structure to what you're doing. Starts to pull in sales, marketing, web, content, all that stuff into one place. All right, I'll talk to you later.